everybody, we are going to teach you how to make oats upma today. Oats for breakfast, oats which are healthy and having vegetables. Okay, we already cut up the vegetables we're going to add and they're prepared. We have shredded carrots, diced tomatoes and diced capsicum, and also some peas which are already just being cooked, pre-cooked, because they need a little bit more cooking than all the other items here. And we have oats, some regular oats from Horlicks, and we have a deep pan which we use to cook this stuff. Then we're also cutting up some chilies because I like my oats really spicy. You may add how much ever you want. You just need a very little bit of oats. This is for enough for like one person or maybe a little more. It's just being stored in that instructions box. It's from Horlicks. Yes, and to make it go down a little better, we're going to add a very little bit of rava, which has already been fried. So peas are coming along nicely.
Smelling, it is coming, smelling.
You can smell the oats.
Fried.
Oats. Okay, she turned it up and then now it's switched off. Just putting the fried and heated up oats aside. No oil added, only now taking up a little bit of oil into the hot pan. Putting in a little tadka now for this, like a spoon of mustard seeds, a spoon of Bengal gram of kadlebele, like a spoon of urad dal. Letting it pop. There is a little bit of turmeric, which gives it a really nice yellow color and it's good for your health too.
Green chilies.
Then put in the green chilies. Switch on your fan if you have to, an exhaust fan. I'm going to make some fumes. Then the capsicum, which needs longest to cook. So now we've diced the carrot so that it's kind of easier to cook and it's also easy to eat. We've shredded the carrots. Next goes the carrots and the tomato. Smells really good. Another piece of board. You directly put it in. We are going to need water in that anyway, so you can add any vegetables of your choice. Shredded, diced, whatever. Now we're going to add pepper, which is already powdered. I like to add pepper and turmeric because it kind of makes it hot and it's also really good for cold. Now we're going to be adding salt to this, but those who are on a low sodium diet, do not add salt. So it's simmering now on high all the way up. cooking all the veggies.
Cumin powder.
We're adding a little cumin powder.
Garam masala little bit.
A little bit of garam masala. I heard that now cinnamon is really good for burning fat, so we're adding cinnamon. Some salt to taste. Now I like my oats to be like really watery and soupy kind of, because I don't like the thick texture when it absorbs all the water, so we're adding a lot of water. One is to cook the vegetables and the oats, and second thing is to make it soupy. You can add maybe a little less water, but anyway, as the oats will cook, they will absorb all the water, and this just goes down to nothing, especially after some time. And this stays hot for very long. I travel to work and I pack this in for my breakfast, and I have to travel for like 1.5 hours. Sometimes I have breakfast after 2 hours probably, and it still remains hot. So now this has been cooking for 4 minutes, like now it's boiling. Now we're going to add the oats. We just forgot to add some curry leaves, can also be added to the tadka, and in the end you can add some coriander if you want. It gives a really nice taste. Curry leaves to the tadka when you fry it with the oil, and when you add coriander you add it in the end. So totally we just added the oats and a little bit of rava. Yeah, see, it's clumping, so you need to keep stirring it in as you are adding it. ಸೊ ಓಟ್ಸ್ ಉಪ್ಮಾ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ತುರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ದಪ್ಪ ಮೆಣಸಿನ್ಕಾಯಿ ಹೆಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟೊ ಹೆಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಾಸಿವೆ, ಕಡಲೆಬೇಳೆ, ಉದ್ದಿನಬೇಳೆ, ಅರಶಿನ, ಕರಿಮೆಣಸು ಪುಡಿ, ಧನಿಯಾ ಪುಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಗರಂ ಮಸಾಲ ಚೂರು, ಮತ್ತು ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಪುಡಿ ಚೂರು. ಚಕ್ಕೆ ಪುಡಿಯಿಂದ ಮೆಟಬಲಿಸಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೈ ಆಗತ್ತಂತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಪುಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕಿ ಬಾಯ್ಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹುರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋ ಓಟ್ಸು, 1 ಕಪ್ ಓಟ್ಸು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೂರು 1/4 ಕಪ್ಪಷ್ಟು ರವೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಲಕ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಆವಾಗ. ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್. Since there is a lot of water, it's alright right now. When the water is reduced, just make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and doesn't get burnt. So we'll just come back in a couple of minutes and see how it's going. Looks yummy. Tastes really yummy. I never get tired of eating this because I really can't tolerate sweet stuff for breakfast, like milk and cereal. This really helps me out with my diet because it's so fat free. Yeah, you can reduce the oil that we used also. We can use olive oil, change it up to your requirements, add different vegetables to just give you a change of taste, something new every day. And also it's really good for the digestive process. Oats has a lot of roughage, right? Now we just let it cook for another minute or two, and then it's done. It's done by now. So if you just cut up the vegetables on the previous night, and you're like good to go in like 5 minutes, you can just cook everything, right? So it's a very easy to make, very quick breakfast. It is filling, so you can double or triple or quadruple the amount for more than one person. Yeah, so probably just looking at the size, I think this would fill up 2 people. So it's pretty watery right now, so probably you should let it reduce. But if you let it reduce it after like an hour, if you're traveling, it will not remain soupy anymore. It would have become semi-solid. So usually this is how we leave it when I'm like traveling to work. This will retain its heat for a long time, for like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours even sometimes, especially if you're carrying it in a insulated lunch bag. Oh my goodness, just switch off the burner. I think that's good. You can let it cook for some more time or add little less water if you like more semi-solid or softer, more solid oats and not soupy oats. So you just putting it into a bowl and serving, because what's better to serve soup. So ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರೆಸಿಪಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ರೆಸಿಪಿ, ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋರು, ನನ್ನ ಡಯಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 2 people. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸಾಲಿಡಿಫೈ ಆದರೆ ಇನ್ನು the amount will reduce, ಅಲ್ಲ? So since this is mainly water, you can drink a lot of it and it will be filling. Okay, soupy oats is ready. ನಿಮಗೆ soupy oats ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೆಮಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಓಟ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಿ.